Bafethu, yep bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Mina ngikhuluma iqiniso, nothing else but the truth. Let's go back bafethu. Niyakhumbula uSipho Mbuli wadlalela i-Sundowns benimbiza ngoSister Mbule, i-Master Chef, uBhizi Kitchen, i-Bench Warmer, isidakwa, all those names. La magama a-disappear-e immediately after ajoyina i-Pirates. To tell you that abantu be-Pirates, ama-fans be-Pirates anomona, ahlushwa umona, ahlushwa umona. They used to say Sundowns inenyoka, uSipho Mbuli uphakela inyoka ye-Sundowns akadlali. Manje uyenzani ngoba naku Pirates akadlali 90 minutes uSipho Mbuli? Cabanga makashaywa i-bench ku-Pirates, ku-middle fielder ye-Pirates, ku-middle fielder ye-Sundowns vele bengeke alunge. Benimbiza ngokuthi uSister Mbule, i-Master Chef yebhentshi. Manje it's the same thing. Mbula akakori, aka-assist-i. Only thing amafeni we-Pirates, uyalazi. Akekho umuntu ongalazi ibhola odlalayo ibhola, akekho. Hheyi uyalazi, mbonile uphasa njani, utrepha njani. Hawu, thina sifuna ukubona ukuthi wenzani egrawundini. Uma ungabheka nje awukho umsebenzi kaSipho Mbuli egrawundini. Ukuhamba nje akhuphule isikhindi asibeke lana, azenze ngathi uyalazi ibhola, ulazi kakhulu kanti hhayi. No man, no man, Sipho Mbuli i-hype le man, i-hype. Into esihlala siyisho ama-player we-Pirates we-Chiefs ane-hype kuphela. Immediately lisuka ku-Pirates or ku-Chiefs bayalizonda, hhayi alikho blind, bheka uLoch akekho blind, asimfuni ku-squad. All just because akasadlaleli i-Pirates. Hayi bafethu, all because umuntu akasadlaleli i-Pirates. Hhayi, we have to be honest ngoSipho Mbuli bafethu, sesithule kwanele. Udlale more than 12 game, 15 game, una-0 assist. Hhayi. Hhayi fraud le nto le, fraud, scam. Sundowns sinisiskemile la.